Python is a popular programming language that has gained immense popularity over the years. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Since then, it has become one of the most widely used languages in the world. It is used for web development, allowing developers to create dynamic and interactive websites with ease. Frameworks like Django and Flask make web development with Python efficient and enjoyable. Python is also extensively used in data analysis, enabling data scientists to process and analyze large data sets. Libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib provide powerful tools for data manipulation and visualization. One of the key features of Python is its easy-to-read syntax. The language is designed to be simple and straightforward, which makes it accessible to beginners and reduces the learning curve. This simplicity makes Python a great language for beginners. Many educational institutions and online platforms use Python as the first programming language to teach students. Python is also very versatile. It can be used on various platforms and devices, from laptops and desktops to tablets and smartphones. This cross-platform compatibility makes it a go-to choice for many developers. You can use it to build all sorts of applications, including desktop applications, web applications, and even mobile apps. Python's versatility is one of its greatest strengths. There are many libraries and frameworks available for Python. These libraries extend the functionality of Python and make it easier to implement complex features in your projects. These can help you get started with your projects faster. With the right libraries, you can save time and focus on the core aspects of your project. Python is a great choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Its simplicity and readability make it easy to learn, while its powerful libraries and frameworks make it suitable for complex projects. It is a powerful and versatile language that can be used for a wide range of tasks. From web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python has applications in almost every field. If you're looking to learn a new programming language, Python is a great option. Its community support, extensive documentation, and numerous learning resources make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to start their coding journey. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python has something to offer for everyone. So get ready to embark on a journey of learning and discovery with Python. Before you can start coding in Python, you need to set up your development environment. This is an essential first step that ensures you have all the necessary tools to write, run, and debug your Python code efficiently. This involves downloading and installing Python on your computer. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, and having it properly installed is crucial for your coding journey. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website python.org. The website provides the most up-to-date version of Python, ensuring you have access to the latest features and security updates. Once you have downloaded the installer, run it to install Python on your system. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running quickly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. These instructions will guide you through each step, from selecting the installation directory to configuring optional settings. After installation, it's crucial to verify your Python installation. This step ensures that Python has been installed correctly and is ready for use. Open your command prompt or terminal and type Python version. This command will display the version of Python that is currently installed on your system. If Python is installed correctly, you should see the installed version number displayed. This confirmation means that your Python environment is set up and ready to go. Now you have Python installed and you're ready to start coding. With your development environment set up, you can begin exploring the vast world of Python programming, from writing simple scripts to developing complex applications. Happy coding! Debugging is an essential part of programming. It involves finding and fixing errors in your code. One simple but effective debugging technique is using print statements. By strategically placing print statements throughout your code, you can track the values of variables and understand the flow of execution. Another useful tool for debugging is a debugger. Debuggers allow you to step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and set breakpoints. They provide a more controlled environment for identifying and resolving issues in your programs. Variables are like containers for storing data in Python. They allow you to keep track of information and use it throughout your program. You can think of them as labeled boxes where you put information. Just like you might label a box to know what's inside, you label a variable to know what data it holds. To create a variable, simply choose a name for it and use the assignment operator, which is the equal sign, to assign a value. This is a fundamental concept in programming and is used in almost every language. For example, writing name equals sign Alice creates a variable called name and stores the value Alice in it. This means whenever you use name in your code, Python knows you're referring to the value Alice. You can use variables to store different types of data, such as numbers, strings, and more. For instance, you might store a number in a variable called age, or a string in a variable called greeting. Variables make your code more readable and flexible. By using descriptive names for your variables, you can make your code easier to understand for yourself and others. You can easily access and modify the data stored in variables as your program runs. This allows you to update values, perform calculations, and manage data efficiently. For example, you might change the value of score in a game or update balance in a financial application. Additionally, variables help in debugging and maintaining your code. By using meaningful variable names and comments, you can quickly identify and fix issues. This practice is essential for writing clean and maintainable code. In collaborative projects, well-named variables make it easier for team members to understand and work with your code. This fosters better communication and efficiency within the team. In summary, variables are a powerful tool in Python programming. They store data, enhance code readability, and provide flexibility for various operations. Mastering variables is a crucial step in becoming a proficient programmer. Section 5. String manipulation. Strings are sequences of characters like words or sentences. Python provides powerful methods for manipulating strings. You can use these methods to change the case of a string, find substrings, or split a string into multiple parts. For instance, the method converts a string to uppercase while converts it to lowercase. The method helps you locate the position of a specific substring within a string. String manipulation is crucial for working with text data, such as processing user input or analyzing text files. Section 6. Understanding lists. Lists are ordered collections of items in Python. They allow you to store and access multiple values using a single variable name. You can create a list by enclosing comma-separated values within square brackets. For example, creates a list called my_list containing 4 numerical values. Python provides methods to add, remove, or modify elements within a list. Lists are versatile data structures used for storing collections of related information, such as a list of names or a series of numbers. Section 7. Dictionaries, key value storage. Dictionaries are another type of collection in Python, but unlike lists, they store data in key value pairs. Each key in a dictionary is unique and associated with a specific value. You can create a dictionary using curly braces and separating key value pairs with colons. For instance, creates a dictionary with 2 key value pairs. Dictionaries are suitable for representing structured data, like storing information about a person, where the keys could be name, age, address, and so on. Section 8. A glimpse into network programming. Python provides powerful libraries for network programming, allowing you to create applications that communicate over networks. One such library is the module. Sockets enable you to establish connections between different devices and exchange data. You can use sockets to build client-server applications, where a client sends requests to a server and the server responds accordingly. Network programming opens up a wide range of possibilities, from building simple chat applications to developing complex distributed systems. Section 9. Control flow with if-else. Control flow statements determine the order in which code is executed in a program. The statement allows you to control the flow of execution based on conditions. The statement checks a condition, and if it's true, the code block within the statement is executed. If the condition is false, the block, if present, is checked. Finally, if none of the preceding conditions are true, the code within the block, if present, is executed. Section 10. Functions, reusable blocks of code. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. They help you break down your code into smaller, more manageable chunks, improving readability and reusability. You define a function using the keyword, followed by the function name, parentheses for parameters, and a colon. The code within the function block is executed when the function is called. Functions can accept input values, known as parameters, and return output values. They promote code organization and reduce redundancy in your programs. Section 11. Iterating with loops. Loops allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly. Python provides two main types of loops, loops and loops. Loops are used to iterate over a sequence of elements, such as a list or a string. The loop variable takes on each value in the sequence, and the code block within the loop is executed for each iteration. Loops, on the other hand, continue to execute the code block as long as a specific condition remains true. Loops are essential for tasks that involve repetition, such as processing data or performing calculations.